For over 1,000 years,
Yes.
Norse people left offerings for the spirits of the land. I still do. I am David of Urban Norseman, 5th great-grandson of Anne Norseman from Norderaf, bringing you the real story behind Viking legend. These land spirits, the Landvættir, protect and shape the land. In the old sagas, they decide the fate of whole kingdoms. This isn't about worship, it's about respect.
Who's going up?
Staying connected to the earth that keeps us alive. Be honored, be remembered.
We do that in honor of the Landvættir. So yeah, having family from our ancestors from Norway is probably why a lot of my family ended up in the mountains and then moved down the mountain for opportunities and all that, just like people would have done in that time, because they were travelers, explorers, yes, raiders, but it all come down to how to make a living for your family, just like people move for jobs or anything now.
Modern life tries to make us forget. We're still part of this land, if we choose to remember. Join the Shield Circle if you believe these old ways still matter. Link will be in the description.
Urban Norseman. Folklore, not fairy tales. Be sure to subscribe for real Norse content. content.